Hi my friends, today we will be install Pfsense on wmvare workstation. First of all, we need to download Pfsense ISO file. You can download it from site, Pfsense site, or you can download it from download link below in description. Okay, let's go. wmvare workstation. In wmvare workstation, we need to create a virtual machine, new virtual machine. Next, here you need to select ISO file. There's a few steps to do. Accept. Okay. It's a default settings. Install settings. Yes. It will take a few minutes. Installation of Pfsense main system files. We need to wait for installation. Yes. Very good. The system is loading now. Installation is finished. After the system will be load, we need to install we need to set IP configuration for accessing the interface. Enter. Do you want to process? Yes. It will take a few minutes. Okay, the system is closed now. System loading is finished. Here we need to set set interface IP address. Okay, 1 minute. 2. No, I don't need the ICP. No. One interface IP address. In my case, it's address of NAT. I will show here you what does this mean. wmvare workstation have a virtual network. There is a host only and NAT. I select here NAT 1, NAT settings. You can see here subnet of my VM network. Here's a gateway. You need this to save. Okay. And subnet. Okay. Then the full gateway. 192.168 and .71.2. It's the full gateway of VM network. Also, I don't need DHCP. And also, I don't need DHCP. Here I need this is web access. For web access you need to enable this feature to web access to the Pfsense system. Now we can access to Pfsense system. We can test it from Google Chrome. In my case, there is 192.168 and .71 and 25. Default, the username of Pfsense is admin and password is Pfsense. That's all. After opening Pfsense web interface, you can test here rules. You can add rule or you can delete rule. You can test here. Also, you can set here production systems settings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorials.